Wow, is this really the Taj Mahal? I feel like I'm standing inside a dream.
Yes, it is. And trust me, everyone feels the same the first time.
Traveled thousands of kilometers to see this. It was worth it.
Then welcome to India. This place connects people from all over the world.
Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Hi, Ahmed. I'm Saba. I'm from India.
Nice to meet you, Saba. Is this your first visit here?
No, I've been here before, but I still love this place.
The white marble looks magical in sunlight.
Yes, especially in the morning. It feels calm and peaceful.
India feels very alive. So many people, colors, and sounds.
That's true. India is busy, but full of warmth.
How long do tourists usually stay in Accra?
Most stay 1 or 2 days, but some stay longer.
I wish I had more time. I want to understand the culture.
Talking to locals is the best way.
Good advice. What do you do, Saba?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
That explains why your English is so clear.
Thank you. Are you learning English?
Yes, for travel and work.
You're doing well. Just speak daily.
I will. Do you like meeting people from other countries?
Yes, it opens the mind.
In Saudi Arabia, hospitality is very important.
Same in India. Guests are treated with respect.
I feel that here. Everyone is helpful.
That's good to hear.
Before I leave, what food should I try?
Definitely biryani and naan.
I won't miss that.
Enjoy your journey, Ahmed.
Thank you, Saba. Meeting you made this place more special.